That's it, damn smart, eh?
Aye, I like that.
Stunning.
I took the Calibra to work one day. They were fucking huge back in the day. It looks like they were big.
Hey Steve, this is a rare sight of a Vauxhall that's made it to a show.
Don't know what you're talking about. Grey area.
Grey area.
Or is it red area?
Well, yours is a red area.
Red area.
And like, green cars are the best colour for cars. See, gold and green, I don't think it would work as wheels, would it, gold and green?
Yeah, intake like bigger than a filter.
I don't know. I remember them dump valves. I used to have one of those, the Bailey trumpet things.
Hootie valve.
Yeah, there is. I miss them things. Vauxhalls made alright cars, didn't they? Quick one. Wish I'd bought a silver one in all honesty. Or a grey one. Yeah, honestly, yeah. I regret having a black one. I do. See, I bet they weren't missold the fact that it had aircon. Yeah, this is the sore spot still. I would stand too close when I start filming these things. It's like it zooms out with it being a film. Yeah, it's weird. It's mint that. Come and stand next to that.